Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss 300 pounds Devon. First of all, in case anyone is not aware of the fact that Devon is now weighing 300 pounds, see this post where Devon shared his actual weight. He was weighing 303 pounds. Devon also did a live stream where he revealed how he made it to 300 pounds. Devon said his entire life he was always trying to get as massive as possible, but he got limited after a certain weight. Devon considered it to be the influence of cardio and the military training he had. Then Devon gave credit to Brian Shaw. Devon said he was trying to get massive his entire life and then he visited Brian Shaw and boom, he became 300 pounds. If anybody wants to get massive, they should get close to Brian Shaw. Well, I have noticed Devon is eating a lot and he did a lot of hard work as well. Now there was an interesting question asked to Devon in the stream. One guy asked if Devon had broken any PR since Levan's match. Of course, Devon is now 300 pounds, the heaviest he has ever been. So we would expect Devon to be breaking PRs, especially in his most famous lift, the pronation lift. Devon said this prep for Gennady was different. He did pretty well and he did different exercises. But when the topic of pronation lift came, Devon said he was very far from his PR when he started it after Levan. No more further clarification on that. Now the question that may come to your mind is, will Devon stop at 300 pounds or will he try to get even bigger? Devon said he predicts he has some more super heavyweight matches coming. Maybe not immediately, but definitely. Devon said he will most likely pull top 10 again. And then if he feels like no one is left and he is ready for Levan, he will pull Levan again. Devon was asked how he feels now compared to the shape he was in when he fought Levan. Devon said he feels way stronger now and truly he looks much stronger now. So guys, that's all for this video. Like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.